From field to facility, the journey continues without pause. Here, the raw harvest meets the precision of modern food engineering. From field to facility, the journey continues without pause. Every tuber now enters a tightly controlled, hygienic world. Human oversight catches what machines might miss at the very start.
Got a bad one.
Human oversight catches what machines might miss at the very start. The first deep clean removes soil and prepares them for transformation. Precision separation ensures nothing but pure potato proceeds. From raw earth to ready snack, the peeling stage marks the true beginning of production. Steam peeling blasts the skins loose in seconds, preserving the potato flesh beneath. In under 30 seconds, nature's armor is removed without chemicals. Freshly peeled and pristine, they move deeper into the heart of production. Final surface polish ensures zero residue before the critical cut. Laser-sharp eyes scan every tuber, rejecting imperfections instantly. Controlled flow delivers perfect volume to the high-precision blades. Engineered blades slice at lightning speed for that signature crunch. Uniformity here dictates even cooking and perfect texture later. Excess starch is flushed away to prevent sticking during frying. Surface moisture is shaken off, setting the stage for flawless frying. Now the transformation accelerates into the golden bath of perfection. The heart of the snack is born here, in a precisely controlled oil bath. Every second in the oil is calibrated for perfect crispness and flavor. They leave the fryer golden and ready for the next critical step. Excess oil is stripped away to keep each bite light and non-greasy. Perfect distribution ensures every chip receives the same flavor kiss. The iconic flavor is applied here in a gentle, tumbling embrace. Precision dosing and motion guarantee uniform coverage without waste. Freshly seasoned and aromatic, they begin the journey to crisp perfection. Rapid cooling locks in texture and prevents sogginess. Advanced vision systems act as the final guardian of quality. Only the best move forward. Every chip earns its place. Precision scales ensure every bag contains the promised amount. From bulk flow to individual packages, the transformation nears completion. High-speed packaging begins with the transformation of flat film into ready pouches. Precision engineering turns a flat sheet into the familiar chip bag shape. Precision engineering turns a flat sheet into the familiar chip bag shape. In one swift motion, individual bags are born and separated. Each bag now carries the perfect portion of golden crunch. Traceability is embedded here. Every bag tells its story. Advanced sensors ensure no unwanted surprises reach the consumer. Advanced sensors ensure no unwanted surprises reach the consumer. Every package is weighed to guarantee consistency and fairness. Empty cases are formed on demand to receive the finished bags. Robotics handle the heavy lifting with surgical accuracy. Securely closed cases protect the product through distribution. Final identification prepares each case for its journey onward. Orderly accumulation sets the rhythm for high-volume pallet building.
Continue to phase 5.
The final build begins. Layer by layer, pallets take shape with robotic precision. The final build begins. Layer by layer, pallets take shape with robotic precision. Grippers lock with perfect suction. No damage, no misalignment.
Grippers lock with perfect suction. No damage, no misalignment.
Each layer interlocks for rock-solid stability during transport.
Thin sheets separate layers, preventing shifting and crushing. Thin sheets separate layers, preventing shifting and crushing.
The pallet grows steadily, engineered for safe stacking and shipping. The pallet grows steadily, engineered for safe stacking and shipping. A complete unit load, ready to protect your favorite snack across the miles. Stretch film locks everything in place, weatherproof and secure. Final cover shields against dust, moisture, and handling. Human oversight guides the final move into storage. Temperature-controlled storage keeps chips crisp until dispatch. Racks are organized by batch and destination for efficient retrieval.
Random samples are pulled continuously to verify every production run.
From field to fork, the journey is checked at every critical point. Behind every crisp chip stands a digital nervous system watching every heartbeat of the factory. Supervisory systems track temperature, speed, and yield second by second. Artificial intelligence scans thousands of chips per minute, far beyond human speed. Vibration and thermal sensors predict failures days in advance, preventing downtime. Every pallet carries its digital passport, tracked from birth to dispatch. Real-time inventory intelligence keeps supply perfectly balanced with demand. Robots across the plant talk constantly, moving as one organism. Modern factories watch their own footprint as closely as they watch production. Proactive alerts keep small issues from becoming big problems. And this is how modern factories produce your favorite potato chips from start to finish. From soil to shelf, a marvel of precision and scale.